Hi friends, in this video, let us see how to create search box in Excel. This is the sample data that I consider now. Using search box, let us highlight the values in this table that we are searching for. I have created the search box here in the cell H3. Now, just follow these steps to create the search box. Select the entire data range, that is B6 to E16. Go to Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule. In this New Formatting Rule dialog box, select the option Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula in this text box as equals to search, open the parenthesis, select the cell H3, comma, $B6, ampersand, $C6, ampersand, $D6, ampersand, $E6. Close the parenthesis. We are mentioning as 6 because our data starts from the 6th row where we would like to search. Now click on Format and select the color with which you want to highlight. Say yellow color. Click OK and again OK. That's all. Now start searching by typing the desired value in the search box and you will be seeing that the matching content will be highlighted in yellow color like this. So in this way you can create search box in Excel and search the desired value. So instead of finding the values by pressing the Ctrl+F every time, you can use this smart trick and save your time. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.